You are gonna love this. Gotta get me another bite.
Hey y'all, I can't believe it's December already, but I love the month of December because it's my birthday month. And also there's so much good food during the month of December. And you know, you've got treats, you've got appetizers, you've got dips, and I've got a really delicious dip right here. It is a jalapeno and cranberry dip on some cream cheese. It's so good, so easy to make. It's our new favorite. I've been making for the last couple years and I love it. We all love it. And this video is a part of Dipcember. It's hosted by Angela at the Inquisitive Farmwife. I'll have her channel linked down below. Go ahead and like and subscribe to her channel. She's so funny and she makes all kinds of great recipes from scratch. So check out her channel, like and subscribe. I'll have all the information below. Also, check out the playlist. There's going to be all kinds of creators that are going to post videos Monday through Friday, but you might get some bonus ones on the weekend. So if you go to all the channels and comment on the videos, you will be included in a giveaway. She's going to give away a dip set, and there might be some other giveaways too. So she's going to do the live giveaway on January 1st. So make sure you check out her channel, and I will have the recipes and everything you need linked down below in the description box. So you got to make this recipe. So I'm going to turn you around and let's go ahead and get started.
All right, I have cut up the cranberries. It was just one of those bags like this full. I just washed them really well and cut them up with my knife. That is the hardest thing about this recipe. So I've got it in my bowl. So I am going to put in 1 cup of sugar, and I'm also going to put in 1 jalapeno. I am a wimp, so this is not a very big jalapeno. If you want it spicy, you can add more. You can also add in the ribs if you would like, and the seeds. If you add in the ribs and the seeds, it will make it spicier. So I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of sugar. It might seem like a lot, but the cranberries are tart, and plus you're going to put in some lime juice, so it's not going to be really, really sweet. So I'm going to add in my jalapeno. If you like it even spicier, you could probably add in a poblano or a serrano, whatever you have on hand. I'm going to also add in 2 tablespoons of lime juice. You can use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Also going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, we're going to mix this together really well. All right, get all that sugar mixed in there. And I did see a recipe that used cumin in it. I might take some of this, half of it, and put some cumin in it, or cumin, or whatever you say it, and see if that makes it even better. But I'm just going to mix this together until it's well combined. All right, I have my mixture here, but I did take out a little bowl, and I'm going to put just a little bit of cumin in it because I'm like smoky, sweet, a little bit sour and tangy. Want to try that. And this gets really liquidy, so what I'm going to do is put it in the fridge and let it sit at least 4 hours to overnight, and then we're going to drain some of that liquid out so it doesn't dilute the flavor. I am going to take both bowls and I'm going to cover them, and I'm going to put them in the fridge at least 4 hours to overnight. Okay, I've got my cream cheese in my pan. It's softened, and I just used a spoon and spread it out evenly. All right, I'll let it sit for about 4 hours. So now I'm going to drain it. You want it to be as dry as it can be. So I'm just going to let it sit here in the bowl and drain for about 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready to put it on the cream cheese. All right, it's nice and drained. So I'm just going to take a spoonful. Just load that up on this cream cheese. I look forward to this every year at Christmas time. And it's got those little flakes of green, but you could also, like I said, put some parsley in it and make it festive. The recipe does call for cilantro. I did that the first time, and I didn't really care for that, or onion. It called for onion, but I'll have the exact recipe listed below. But I did put the cumin in all of it, and I think it tastes better with the cumin in it. It kind of tastes, it gives you like a margarita type of flavor. I think it's really good, but you can leave that out too, or just try it in a spoonful if you like it. But look at that. This is so good. Let me get my crackers and we are gonna try it. Make sure you get all that cream cheese mixed in with that. So good. Look at that. Y'all, this is so good. Look at that. You are gonna love this. It's tangy, it's sweet. The perfect dip. Sweet and savory. You cannot beat this. You'll never, ever, ever regret making this. I thought I loved the spicy cowboy candy. I love that too. I love the pepper jelly on the cream cheese. But there's just something about this cranberry. It's just so good. I'll leave the recipe down below. Please try it. Thank you, Angela, for hosting Dipcember. Dipsember has never tasted so good. I hope y'all enjoy the recipe. Let me know if you make it. I will have all the information down below about Angela, the giveaway, the playlist, everything down below. So I hope y'all have a wonderful holiday season, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Gotta get me another bite. Y'all, this is so good. Look at that.